Yes, sir.
Sorry. Emergency, just now. Alright guys, time's up.
Hey, sir, 5 more minutes. Just now we are late, we have an emergency. Give us 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes will do. Very fast one. Hey, sir, finish already. We are done. This one our paper.
Sorry, I won't accept it.
Why? We are only 5 minutes late.
5 minutes? I said 5 minutes ago.
Don't like that lah, one time lah, give chance lah.
No, it's not fair. It's not fair for the students.
One time only.
Nope. One time only.
Hey, sir, I ask you this question. You know who are we or not?
No, why would I know who any of you?
You don't know who we are?
You really don't know who
Really
I
don't know
ah?
You look at his face. You look at his face. You look at my face. Do you really know who we are or not?
I'm just gonna tell you, I don't care if you're the president's son. No, I wouldn't care.
Now I tell you who we are. You look at my face and I tell you I am who! You don't know who we are, let's go! Hey, go lah! Hey, hi. Yeah,
Hi.
so what are you doing alone in the park? Is it because of the exam just now?
I just wanted to relax and just thinking about life, I guess.
What is it about your life?
I just hope that in future I'll be able to create a perfect life and perfect home for my kids next time.
Perfect life?
Yeah.
What do you mean by perfect life?
One where I have a huge living room with enough space for my children to run around. And a nice master bedroom with soft bed sheets and maybe a monochromatic room.
So sweet. Both of you sitting in the park talking about future. Hey, wait for what? Kiss her, kiss.
Quick, I do there, is it? There, is it?
Kiss,
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 lah.
kiss, 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 kiss.
Okay.
Kiss, 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 kiss. Hey, what kiss, huh?
I know lah, her hair or something.
You wanna come? Go meet me at my office.
Hey, hi, how have you been?
Good. You look at me, I'm still as mischievous as before.
Yeah,
but
I can
now
tell.
old already.
We're both old ah.
Yeah, lor.
You're very early ah.
Quite okay lah. Because like 10 years ago, we promised that we will meet today,
Yeah.
2 p.m. So
And the
where's the
rest
rest
not
of people?
Hey, hi.
Hey! Why you so late?
No, I thought it started at 2.
Hey, so what are you working as now?
I'm now working for my dad. My dad is the CEO, I'm the COO.
Oh, rich kid leh. Then what about you?
Me ah. I just graduated from law school.
You're gonna be a lawyer.
Hopefully.
Ah.
What about you?
Me I'm in the bank.
Oh.
Banker lah.
Hey, but I realized today James I thought he's always with you guys.
Oh, I heard he's helping out with his mom's business, chicken rice business. Yeah, but 10 years already, still never seen him before. Sometimes on the street, I still saw Peter, but not James.
That's weird. I thought I would see him today.
Yeah lor. I think he's probably late. 10 years already this habit never changed.
Yeah lah,
Always
he every
late.
time late one lah.
Yeah lah, buay tahan ni mong. Ha! I a bit late but wow, you guys so different now so grown up already Hey, why are you here?
Yeah.
What do you mean by why am I here? He invite me one this one.
Oh,
Yeah, yesterday we went drinking. Hey!
Shit man, I forgotten.
You didn't even tell us.
Sorry.
Excuse me? You don't want me to be around No lah,
No.
No lah, we good friends.
So not.
Yeah. Sure.
I go take drink first
Okay, go.
Him.
Yeah.
Last night too drunk, sorry.
What?
Walao eh. Hey, come, we go get some food. We get some food for you, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
go.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah. Hey, what's the rest? They are late.
Oh no, they went to get some food.
Really?
Do you want some food?
Later lah.
Okay.
Been 10 years
Yeah.
Yeah, so 10 years and you still remember that we're supposed to be reunion tonight.
Yeah. Of course I remember. I heard you have some chicken rice store, is it? With your mom?
Actually, I've been helping my mother all this while. Then we have this chicken rice store. I try to expand it. So within these 10 years, we actually expand to around 10 different outlets. But after that, business not really doing very well, so we decided to close down. Because my mother is also old, so she cannot take care of all the business. Then myself, I also feel that this is not what I'm looking for.
So sorry to hear.
No problem, You still remember 10 years ago, we are at the park. You told me you have a dream home. You have to be monochromatic.
Yeah,
Right?
I remember.
Actually, I do a list of the kind of dream home that you actually want. But all these 10 years, right? Actually, I want to talk to you, but didn't have the chance to meet you. So actually, I want to ask you this question.
Wait, before you ask, I also have something to say, but you can just say first.
Okay, these 10 years, right? Actually, I have not been stopped thinking about you. So I was thinking, right, if I have a dream home, I would love it to be your dream home too. Yeah, so do I still have the chance? Do we still have the chance to build this dream home together?
Well, definitely.
Yeah, you're ready to see our dream home?
Yes.
Ta-da!
It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Oh, you even remember the featured wall that I wanted.
Of course, I remember every single thing you say. So this is the dream home, right? That you want for our kids.
Yeah. Thank you, dear.
And it's the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
This is the monochromatic kitchen design that you wanted all along.
How do you even remember that?
Of course, I remember. I told you I remember every single thing you say.
Thank
You
you.
don't believe me? I bring you the bedroom. We go to the master bedroom. Come.
Oh, God, yeah. You even remember our soft bed that I wanted.
You're the best. It must be very hard to find a designer, right?
Actually, not really lah. You know, dear, you are my one and only. So actually, it's not hard for me. I found all these ideas through Renopedia.sg. It's a one-stop solution, so everything is there lah. So I just want to tell you, we finally have our dream home, and this is the dream home that you have dreamed of all this while. So dear, I love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You're the best.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.